Hello everyone, this is another LG 60pv400, similar to the one we did I think yesterday. This one is came for another issue. HDMI port is bad. This one here, this HDMI port, you can see the two pins, the first two pins, the plastic that's holding them is missing. This means this HDMI is going bad. The only HDMI good is this one. Plus you can see how brown is getting very dark brown here. That's from these coils, the same issue like the other one. And I'm gonna look for a replacement HDMI here. I don't know if we can find anything to put here, so if we can get just two HDMI working is good. Plus I'm gonna get this board, gonna resolder it. Likely I hear, like the customer said, the TV is restarting, facing that issue, like sometimes it restarts by itself. Maybe there is a bad gold solder joint here. So we're gonna check these two boards, same thing to the other TV. Even if they are not bad, we're gonna put more solder on it so don't face that problem. You can see how brown close to that coil. That means there is overheat over there. So let's start fixing it. You can see the cracks in the coil. Look, that's one, it has a lot of sparks, smokes. So this TV was gonna stop working very soon. And it's good, yeah, we catch it before it's burned all that MOSFETs. You can see this one on this board. Look at that pad. All that smoking. All the smokes around that pad. Burn it. So we're gonna need to resolder that. Plus I'm gonna look for a replacement HDMIs, and we'll see if we can make at least two HDMI work in this one. This HDMI it work. I tested. I get the sound and picture. I think you did hear it in the first of the video. So we need to add one more HDMI and it should be good for the customer. I find this board. You can see the hole in the processor. Look, that HDMI place traces burned. There is smokes there. So look like this board, it had a power source, another device that was connected to the HDMI causing the processor to burn and all that mess. But this HDMI still looks good here and here. This one here still looks good as well, but we can't use it because the HDMI we need, the one it doesn't have that screw hole. So we are going to just replace this HDMI and it should be good to go, as the customer asked. So let's solder the cracked solder joint in this two board, and we'll go from there.
HDMI ports.
To help the solder go all the way to the other side of the board. Stage HDMI ready soldered. So let's go test the TV. So here the TV works, and we are on the HDMI 3. The HDMI number 2 it works. So let me switch HDMI number 2. Go to input, and you can see that was HDMI number 3, and that's the HDMI number 2. Enter. So this is the HDMI number 2. Well, let's see if we have any for the HDMI number 1, if it works or no. Switch HDMI number 1, number 2, HDMI number 1. Third connection over there. Yeah, nothing. So the HDMI number 1, it doesn't work. So now we have the two HDMI number 2 and number 3 works. So this all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next one.